Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this really cool product from a company called BYEASY. This is the BYEASY 8-in-1 iPad and laptop stand and hub. That's right, you've got this really cool stand, and it is very maneuverable. You can turn it different ways, you can move it, change the angle of it to whatever works for the device you're using. But what's cool, it's not just a stand, it is also a hub, 8-in-1 hub. You've got auxiliary jack for audio over here. You've got two USB 3.0 ports here. On the back, you've got an Ethernet port with for fast internet. You've got an HDMI cord for HDMI out to extend your screen. You've got a PD. This is where your power is going to go in for whatever it is you're powering. Would normally plug directly into the iPad or the laptop. You plug that in here for power. Over here, you've got your other USB-C. This is where you connect the iPad or laptop to the dock, and they include the cord for that in the box, which is cool. And then you've got your micro SD and SD card slots here, and all of those work great. You're going to see some footage of me using this both with my iPad Pro, as well as using it with a Dell Windows laptop. And it worked great for both of those. The stand works great. The way it holds it, the way you can move it, the way you can get it to the angle you want is really great. Using one of those USB ports, I was able to connect like a external keyboard and mouse so that I can use those with the iPad Pro. Also using the Ethernet, you can see you get super fast, as fast as my internet can go, which is my internet's 500 megabits per second, and you get that full speed because I'm connecting to the Ethernet through this, which is really great. The auxiliary out to a speaker works great. Everything about this works great. It is a really awesome product. I love the fact that you're getting the hub, but you're also getting the stand. So it's really great, you know, especially if you're going to use it with an iPad Pro, because something like that or a laptop, you're not always using it sitting at a desk where you have dedicated monitors. Sometimes you're using it on the go or using it at a table or somewhere. And with this, you can hook it up to a separate monitor there. You can see I've got the portable monitor connected up to it, and you can connect through this using that to that HDMI. But then you've got also these other ports you can use for other things. You get the fast internet for Ethernet if you have that or need that, but also the two USB 3.0s so you can connect other accessories and devices to use with your iPad Pro or with your laptop. So a really cool, nice design. It's got the rubber feet on the bottom so it doesn't slide around. It's got rubber on the tray so that when you put things on here, they stay on here. And just the fact that you can turn it any way you want and change the angle, lift it up, change the angle of it to work for you. Just really, really excellent product. If you're looking for a stand and a hub for your iPad Pro or for a laptop, then this 8-in-1 stand and hub combo from BYEASY is definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.